Great grind day, great grind day. Welcome to your Vitamin G Conversations with Kendall.
Listen, y'all remember the movie 300. I know people always using it for analogies when they're talking. There was a part of the movie where they were about to go to war the first time with, I don't remember what the crazy dude, the god of war, whatever, that guy. And Leonidas had all his men behind him. And Leonidas looked back at his men and he said, "This is where we fight." Then he said, "Give them nothing, but take from them everything." We'll say that again. He said, "This is where we fight. Give them nothing, but take from them everything." And that's what I want to tell you today. This is where you fight. You give them nothing and you take from them everything. And what I mean by that is you stop giving yourself away. You stop giving everything away. You gotta at some point start to take back what was taken from you. Right now is the time for you to take back that heart that you had, because now fear is taking everything from you. Give from them nothing, but take from them everything. Y'all have a great grind day. We'll talk soon.